Hi everyone. If your mouse has also stopped obeying your orders and is roaming on its own, you will find different solutions in this video to regain control. Method 1. Clean the desk surface or mouse pad. Start troubleshooting by cleaning the surface where you use the mouse. Wipe the desk and scrub the mousepad to remove dust and debris. If the problem persists after cleaning the desk surface or mousepad, thoroughly clean the lower surface of the mouse itself. If cleaning the desk and mouse surface doesn't work, hold the mouse in your hand and watch its movements. Observing the same behavior suggests that dust on the table or bumps on the surface have nothing to do with the issue. In such a case, continue implementing the fixes mentioned below. Method 2. Physically check mouse and its connection. Once you've ensured that the dirty surface isn't causing the mouse cursor to go crazy, physically inspect the mouse. Ensure there's no physical damage to the mouse or its cable. Make sure the connection is not loose, and the port you're connecting your mouse to isn't faulty. Method 3. Disable mouse acceleration. Click on Start button, and select Settings. In the left sidebar, navigate to Bluetooth and Devices. In the right-hand pane, click Mouse. Go to Additional Mouse Settings. Navigate to the Pointer Options tab in Mouse Properties. Uncheck the box for Enhanced Pointer Precision, and hide pointer while typing. Click Apply, and click OK to save changes.